Welcome, Farm Fusion Tech. Today in this video we will learn how raisins are made, and we will also tell you that the grapes we buy from the market are not made from raisins. If they are made from raisins, they are not of good quality. In fact, raisins are made from certain types of grapes. You may not know how raisins are made. So today, we are going to build you. They will show the whole thing. But watch the grapes grow. You will not believe afterwards. Before you leave, let me tell you that. All the grapes on the vines well. Then, when the time comes for them to reach their destination, then, with the help of the grapes are cut one by one. This is usually done by farmers themselves. After harvesting the grapes, they are stored in crates, then loaded onto vehicles and sent to the next processing plant, where the crates filled with grapes are treated with potassium carbonate and ethyl oleate. And after washing, they are taken to mesh in airy rooms, and bunches of grapes are spread on the nets so that they can dry quickly and become raisins. The quality of raisins can be damaged by direct sunlight on the grapes, so in between they are sprayed with potassium carbonate and oil to keep the color. After about 10 days, the grapes are well dried. When the grapes are ready for the sulfurization process, the mesh chambers are covered with plastic to keep the air inside out. Then small holes are created in various places inside the chamber. Then, in the houses, they will be thrown into the house, burning, and then the night is over, and the night is over. So they are filled in crates and sent to the raisin factory through vehicles. First, the raisin is washed again in the factory. Then the raisin is put in a special tank. Then it is sent forward through the conveyor belt, put in water. The soil around the raisin and the chemicals are cleaned. Then they are dried in a rotating dryer and filled back into the crates. Then these crates are placed outside in the sun for a while. Now a vibrating machine is used to remove the little waste in the raisin. This machine shakes and separates all the waste from the raisin. Then the raisins go through the conveyor belt to the other machine where the lace is separated, and finally the raisins are passed through the stitching process. At this stage, the bad and small raisins are separated while the good and large raisins are removed to the other side so that they can be sold at a good price in the market. Friends, we have worked hard to gather all this information, so please like the video in the comments and tell us how much the raisin cost in your city. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.